Most fragrances have oil concentration. This one's a little different though. It's got carrot concentration. Gentle Fluidity Gold is a amber vanilla fragrance that is unisex and was launched in 2019. The perfumer behind this is Francis Kurjan. This has an MSRP of $249 for 75 mils. The notes are vanilla, amber, musk, woody notes, juniper berries, nutmeg, and coriander. Initial impressions of this fragrance are truly quite remarkable. This is a beautiful fragrance. It's a masterful creation. This is the essence of niche perfumery, but it's also a really easy take into niche fragrances. This doesn't have oud or ambergris or a note that is very prominent or is bold, that's in your face, love it or hate it. This has very likable appeal to it. I just want to focus on that juniper berry note. This is such a beautiful, sweet berry note. It's a fragrance that has a note that is not often seen, right? We love our roses, we love our florals, we love our ambers, our woods, our musks, but this berry note, it just has this jovial, youthful, yet nice, sweet, but rich creation to it. This is a note that is just a great compliment to the fragrance and also adds to its overall appeal of quality, great craftsmanship, and uniqueness to it. Again, there are not many fragrances that have that juniper berry in it. Mixed in with the vanilla and the amber and the woods, this really adds to the unisex appeal of the fragrance, but it also doesn't make it too feminine leaning or too masculine leaning. It's just overall a great creation. On the opening, we really smell the vanilla come out with the berry. Those are the two notes that I smell the most. It's a sweet berry with a bit of amber. I like that the amber is muted though. I'm not a huge fan of boozy or ambery fragrances on their own. I find they can be quite irritating. They're quite brash. I like the sweet stuff. So the fact that we get that berry, it's almost like a grape fragrance, right? It's vanilla, it's sweet, it's berry, it's bright, it has some freshness to it, but it's also a little sexy. You got that sage, you've got the coriander. This is a very linear fragrance, so it doesn't change too much from the opening to the end, but it just has that prominence of the berry, the fruity vanilla opening. This is absolutely gorgeous. This smells mature, this smells sophisticated. Wouldn't wear this for someone who's literally under 25, 30 probably, just because A, the price point, and B, the note breakdown. This is not a very youthful fragrance. It smells bright, it smells fresh. For the performance, this has honestly superb longevity. This has been on my skin for over 12 hours now and it's still going strong. So we love to see that because we spend a lot on these, and I hate to see it go away after 2 hours. So great longevity. The projection at first is quite strong. You get that berry, it's a bright note, it's pushing off of you, it's fresh, it's juicy. You can almost taste it. With the vanilla, it helps to push it off the skin. But as this dries down, it becomes a little closer to the skin. This is great for closer encounter as the day progresses. But of course, you've got that longevity to last you the entire day, which we love. So who should wear this and where should they wear it? I think this is a fragrance that is more geared to older people, more mature people, just because of the nature of the notes. This is not necessarily a sexy, playboy, youthful, shower gel, fresh and clean fragrance. This is not something I'd wear at the club at all. It doesn't have the projection for that, and it's not the right vibe. This is something that smells higher class, higher end, sophisticated. And obviously this would be a great black tie, formal occasion because of the coriander and the nutmeg. Just the way that it dries down, this is a pleasant, sophisticated scent that is not too brash, not too bold, but also has a great lasting longevity on you. That's gonna see you through your entire day, your entire work day, or a date or a nice event in the evening. And here's my final rating on this fragrance. I like to rate fragrances in 3 categories: performance, versatility, and overall the creativity of the fragrance, which is the notes and the way it's implemented. For performance, I'm gonna give this fragrance a nice 8.5 out of 10. The longevity is superb. 12 plus hours is really, we can't complain. That's phenomenal performance. The projection is pretty good at first, and then it dries down, it comes closer to your skin. So again, if you wear this in the right occasion, the right situation, this is gonna work well. If you're looking for something that's going to be strong and powerful off your skin for the entire duration of it, this might not be for you. So overall, fantastic. 8.5 out of 10. It stays true to its character. For likability and versatility, I think this is still a remarkably versatile niche fragrance. It's easy to get into. There is a big compliment factor. This is niche. This is also unisex, but it doesn't lean too feminine. It doesn't lean too masculine. It's slightly powdery, but not overly so. So I think this is a great entry into niche fragrances if you're looking to get into them. And this is something that will get you a lot of compliments when you're pouring this out and about and someone just comes close to you on a date. They smell that juniper berry, they smell that coriander, and they want more of you. For the creativity of the fragrance and just the way that the notes are blended together, I think this is a fantastic blend. I really enjoy Francis Kurkdjian fragrances. Baccarat Rouge 540 is probably one of my favorite all-time niche fragrances, period, in my top 10 for sure. This is a beautiful creation. There's not a single note that is outshining the other ones. There's not a note that's annoying. You know, that berry is not too sweet, it's not too tangy. The vanilla is not annoying where it gives you a headache, where it's all that you smell, it's just a vanilla bomb. This is a great, sweet, ambery, musky berry fragrance. This is a unique fragrance, but it's also got that likable factor. The notes are gonna work well. This is just a masterful creation. Really nailed it. There's nothing that I can pinpoint on this fragrance that is going to be annoying or going to detract from its compliment factor. Truly a great creation. For the creation overall, I'm going to give this fragrance a nice 8.5 out of 10. So that's it. Gentle Fluidity Gold. We have gold bars, we have gold coins, and now we've got gold fragrances, and we love them. If you're interested, please use the link down below. You can check this one out or hundreds of others at Scentbox. It's going to help me and it's going to help you get it at a better deal. Feel free to check it out. That's it for me. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.